Hey everyone, it's Samantha Brown, and I'm thrilled you're here. Who doesn't love discovering a new place, immersing in different cultures, and making memories? But wanderlust can come with a hefty price tag, especially flights. What if I told you you don't have to break the bank to travel? Today, I'll share my top secrets to score the cheapest flight tickets. Throughout this video, we'll be exploring a treasure trove of tips and tricks that will transform you into a savvy flight booking guru. We'll uncover the best times to book, the power of flexibility, and the magic of utilizing flight comparison websites and apps to your advantage. Ever wondered how some travelers manage to snag flights for as low as $49? We'll spill the beans on budget airlines and how to find them, opening up a whole new world of affordable travel options. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible deals that await you. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also delve into insider tips and tricks that will give you an edge in the game of finding cheap flights. From utilizing incognito mode to understanding how airlines price their tickets, you'll be armed with the knowledge to outsmart the system and fly for less. Get ready to embark on a journey that will revolutionize the way you travel. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools and knowledge to confidently snag those incredible flight deals you've always dreamed of. So, buckle up, get ready to take notes, and let's dive into the exciting world of finding the cheapest flight tickets to any destination. Your passport and your wallet will thank you. Ready to unlock a world of affordable flights? Let's talk about budget airlines. These travel gems offer significantly lower fares, making your dream trips more attainable. Budget airlines focus on efficiency, getting you from point A to point B safely and affordably. Who needs frills when you've got breathtaking views and exciting adventures waiting for you? If saving money is your top priority, embracing the budget airline model can free up your travel budget. Now that you're on board with budget airlines, let's explore some popular options. In the US, there's Spirit, Frontier, and Allegiant Air. In Europe, Ryanair, EasyJet, and Wizz Air offer ultra-low fares. AirAsia in Southeast Asia, and Jetstar in Australia. Research and find budget airlines in your region. While big-name budget airlines often steal the spotlight, don't underestimate the power of regional airlines. These smaller carriers operate on a more localized scale, connecting smaller cities and regions, and they often offer some seriously competitive fares. Take Boutique Air in the United States, for example. This regional airline flies to smaller communities across the country, providing a vital transportation link and often offering more affordable fares than larger airlines flying to major hubs. In Europe, regional airlines like Flybe, prior to its recent relaunch, and Air Dolomiti have carved out their niche, connecting travelers to charming towns and hidden gems that might be harder to reach with larger carriers. The beauty of regional airlines lies in their ability to unlock unique travel experiences. You can bypass the hustle and bustle of major airports and immerse yourself in the charm and authenticity of smaller destinations. Plus, you'll often find friendlier service and a more personalized travel experience. Before you book your next adventure, let's talk about some insider tips for a smooth journey. Understand the pricing structure to avoid surprises. Baggage fees are crucial. Check the airline's baggage policy and pack accordingly. Pack light to avoid extra fees. Next, seat selection. Some airlines charge for preferred seats. Factor in this cost when comparing fares. Arrive early and follow instructions to avoid hiccups. Cracking the code, the best time to book flights. Ever wondered, when's the perfect moment to hit that Book Now button and secure the cheapest flight possible? Well, get ready to unlock the secrets of timing because it's one of the most crucial factors in your quest for affordable airfare. It's a common misconception that booking months in advance guarantees the lowest prices. While it might be true in some cases, the reality is far more nuanced. Airlines use sophisticated algorithms that constantly analyze demand, fuel prices, and even competitor pricing to adjust their fares. This means that flight prices can fluctuate wildly, sometimes changing multiple times within a single day. But don't worry, we're here to decode the mysteries of airline pricing and equip you with the knowledge to navigate this ever-changing landscape like a pro. By understanding the patterns and trends, you can significantly increase your chances of snagging those sweet deals. The sweet spot. How far in advance to secure the best deals? Let's talk about the sweet spot, that magical window of time when airlines tend to release their most tempting fares. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, research suggests that booking domestic flights within the United States between 3 weeks and 4 months before your departure date often yields the most favorable prices. For international flights, the sweet spot expands a bit, typically falling between 2 to 8 months prior to your travel dates. Of course, these are just general guidelines, and exceptions always exist. Factors like destination, time of year, and even airline-specific sales can influence pricing. Think of it like finding the perfect ripeness of a fruit. Book too early, and you might miss out on potential price drops. Wait too long, and you risk prices skyrocketing due to high demand. Finding that sweet spot is key to maximizing your savings. Day of the Week Dilemma. Unveiling the cheapest days to fly. Believe it or not, the day of the week you choose to fly can have a surprising impact on the price you pay. Generally speaking, flying midweek, particularly on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, tends to be more budget-friendly than flying on weekends. Why? Business travelers often dominate flights on Mondays and Fridays, while leisure travelers typically opt for weekend getaways. This means that airlines often offer lower fares on Tuesdays and Wednesdays to fill those empty seats. So, if your schedule allows for it, consider shifting your travel dates by a day or two. You might be pleasantly surprised by the savings you unlock. Remember, flexibility is your best friend when it comes to finding cheap flights. If you're not tied to specific travel dates, explore different options and see how even a slight adjustment can impact the overall cost of your trip. Section 4. Seasonal savings. Capitalizing on off-peak travel opportunities. Just like the fashion world has its seasons, so does the travel industry. Peak seasons, like summer holidays and major holidays, tend to see a surge in demand, which often translates to higher airfares. Airlines know that travelers are eager to escape during these times and often adjust their pricing accordingly. But here's the secret. Traveling during the shoulder seasons, or even the off-season, can lead to substantial savings. Shoulder seasons, those magical periods between peak and off-season, offer a sweet spot of pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and often more attractive flight prices. Consider destinations known for their year-round appeal, like California or the Mediterranean. These regions often experience milder weather outside of peak season, making them ideal for budget-conscious travelers. For all you spontaneous adventurers out there, don't despair. While planning in advance often yields the best results, there's a certain thrill in snagging a last-minute deal. Airlines sometimes release deeply discounted fares for flights with unsold seats, especially within a week or two of departure. However, this strategy is not for the faint of heart. It requires flexibility, a willingness to adapt, and a bit of luck. You might not have the luxury of choice when it comes to destinations or specific travel dates. If you're open to embracing the unknown and have the flexibility to pack your bags at a moment's notice, keep an eye out for last-minute deals. You might just stumble upon an incredible opportunity to jet off to a new adventure without breaking the bank. Section 1. Harnessing the power of flight comparison websites. Welcome back, fellow travel enthusiasts. So far, we've explored the world of budget airlines, cracked the code on the best times to book, and uncovered the magic of off-peak travel. Now let's dive into the realm of flight comparison websites, your secret weapon in the quest for the cheapest airfare. Gone are the days of tediously visiting each airline's website individually, comparing prices, and trying to keep track of countless tabs. Flight comparison websites have revolutionized the way we search for flights, aggregating data from numerous airlines and travel agencies to present you with a comprehensive overview of available options. Think of these websites as your personal travel assistants, tirelessly scouring the internet to find the best deals that match your criteria. They've become indispensable tools for savvy travelers, saving you time, effort, and most importantly, money. Section 2. Mastering the art of flight search, filters, and flexibility. Using a flight comparison website effectively is an art form in itself. It's not just about typing in your desired destination and dates, it's about utilizing filters strategically to narrow down your search and uncover those hidden gems. Most flight comparison websites offer a wide array of filters, allowing you to customize your search based on your preferences and priorities. Want to fly at a specific time of day? No problem. Need a direct flight to avoid lengthy layovers? Easy peasy. Looking for flights with a particular airline alliance? You got it. Remember, flexibility is your best friend when it comes to finding cheap flights. If your travel dates are flexible, use the Flexible Dates option to see a broader range of prices. Sometimes, shifting your trip by a day or two can lead to significant savings. Section 3. Unveiling hidden gems, meta search engines and their perks. Now let's talk about meta search engines. These powerful tools take flight comparison to the next level. Unlike traditional flight comparison websites that display results from their own database of airlines and travel agencies, meta search engines cast a wider net, pulling data from multiple flight comparison websites simultaneously. This means you're essentially searching hundreds of airlines and travel agencies with a single search, increasing your chances of finding the absolute best deal. Some popular meta search engines include Kayak, Skyscanner, and Google Flights. Each platform has its own unique features and algorithms, so it's worth experimenting with a few to see which one consistently delivers the best results for your travel needs. Meta search engines are particularly useful for complex itineraries involving multiple destinations or connecting flights. They can quickly sift through countless options and present you with the most efficient and affordable routes. Section 4. Embracing technology, flight comparison apps at your fingertips. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, and that's where flight comparison apps come in. Downloading a few reputable flight comparison apps to your smartphone or tablet can be a game changer for finding and booking cheap flights on the go. These apps often offer exclusive deals and discounts that you might not find on their desktop counterparts. Imagine this. You're waiting for a friend at a coffee shop, and suddenly, a notification pops up on your phone alerting you to a flash sale on flights to your dream destination. With a few taps on your screen, you could be booking your next adventure before your coffee gets cold. Flight comparison apps are also incredibly useful for tracking flight prices, setting price alerts, and managing your bookings all in one place. It's like having a personal travel agent right in your pocket. Insider tips for outsmarting the algorithms. Let's delve into some insider tips for finding cheap flights. Clear your cookies or use incognito mode when searching. Consider booking connecting flights with different airlines. Employ these tips to outsmart the algorithms and secure the best deals. Unveiling a world of savings. Hold on to your hats, fellow travelers. We're about to unlock the secret to scoring cheap flights: flexibility. A little flexibility can save you a bundle on airfare. Airlines adjust prices based on demand, fuel costs, and more. Adjusting your travel dates or destination can align you with better prices. Section 2. Destination Inspiration. Embracing the unknown for less. Let's face it, sometimes the most memorable adventures are the ones we least expect. Instead of fixating on a single destination, why not embrace the thrill of the unknown and let the deals guide your journey? Flight comparison websites and apps often feature sections dedicated to showcasing the cheapest destinations from your departure city. Imagine this. You've always dreamed of visiting Italy, but flights are currently sky high. You decide to browse for alternative destinations and stumble upon incredibly affordable fares to Portugal. A quick Google search reveals stunning coastlines, charming villages, and delectable cuisine, all at a fraction of the cost of your initial plan. This approach not only saves you money, but also opens your eyes to new and exciting places you might not have considered otherwise. Who knows, you might just stumble upon your new favorite destination. Now let's talk about the power of date flexibility. If your travel dates are set in stone, you're essentially competing with everyone else who wants to travel during that specific time frame. But if you have the luxury of adjusting your schedule, even by a few days, you're opening up a world of possibilities. Flight comparison websites offer a handy feature called flexible dates, or nearby airports, that allows you to see a wider range of prices for flights departing on different days or from nearby airports. Sometimes, shifting your trip by a mere 24 hours can result in significant savings. Think of it like playing a game of Tetris. You need to find those gaps and openings to maximize your score. By being flexible with your travel dates, you're essentially finding those pricing gaps and taking advantage of them. Let me illustrate the power of flexibility with a personal anecdote. A few years ago, I was planning a trip to Iceland. I had my heart set on specific dates and was finding it challenging to secure affordable flights. Determined to make it work, I decided to experiment with the flexible dates feature. To my surprise, simply shifting my trip by 2 days resulted in a price difference of over $300 per ticket. Instead of flying on a Friday and returning on a Sunday, I opted for a Sunday departure and a Tuesday return. Not only did I save a significant amount of money, but I also ended up having a more enjoyable experience with smaller crowds at popular attractions. This experience solidified my belief in the power of flexibility. It's amazing how a small adjustment to your travel plans can make a world of difference in your overall costs and even enhance your travel experience. There you have it, fellow adventurers. We've journeyed together through the exciting world of finding the cheapest flight tickets imaginable. From embracing the budget airline advantage to mastering the art of flight comparison websites and embracing the freedom of flexibility, you're now armed with a treasure chest of tips and tricks to conquer even the most daunting airfare prices. Remember, the key to success in this game is to be proactive, resourceful, and open to exploring new possibilities. The more you practice these strategies, the more confident you'll become in your ability to snag those incredible deals and make your travel dreams a reality. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. Start planning your next adventure today and experience the thrill of flying high without breaking the bank. As you embark on your journey to becoming a savvy flight booking guru, remember that every penny saved on airfare is another dollar you can spend on creating unforgettable memories during your trip. Whether you're indulging in delicious local cuisine, exploring hidden gems, or simply soaking up the atmosphere of a new place, those experiences are what truly matter. I hope these tips and tricks empower you to travel more often, explore new horizons, and embrace the world with confidence and a sense of adventure. Remember, the world is a book, and those who don't travel only read one page. So go forth, embrace the journey, and keep exploring our incredible planet, one affordable flight at a time. Happy travels, everyone.